Shueisha announced on 11 October 2024 that Jun Mayuzuki's Kowloon generic romance manga is set to inspire both a television anime and a live-action film, both scheduled to debut in 2025. The story takes place in Kowloon Walled City, a dystopian townscape filled with nostalgia where the past, present and future seem to merge. Within the hidden emotions and extraordinary daily lives of the men and women working inside its walls, a romance begins to unfold for real estate agent Reiko Kujirai, one that feels as familiar as the city of Kowloon itself. As for the studio, it hasn't been confirmed yet, but I think Wit Studio might be animating this series because the animation style feels similar to After the Rain. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.